Hey guys, what's happening? How to get early access to Netflix hidden content in Australia. Getting early access to Netflix's hidden content in Australia is a bit of a hacky process, but here are a few ways to uncover more shows and movies. First of all, you can use a VPN. Go ahead to the settings and then general, and then scroll a little bit down to the VPN and device management, or you can download a third-party app and then click VPN and make sure that you turn it on so you can change your location to other countries and access content libraries available elsewhere. Some countries have early releases or content that isn't available yet in Australia. Okay, next, check for Netflix secret Netflix codes. Netflix has hidden genres that you can access with specific codes. For example, try to type netflix.com/browse/genre slash 1365, for example, for action and adventure, or use other genre codes for niche content. Okay, and join Netflix's beta testing group for a chance to get access to new features and content before general release. Keep an eye on the settings for any new options. And keep in mind, this is all about exploring the platform beyond the standard interface. But always check if using VPN follows Netflix's guidelines. So let's read out the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we will catch you in the next time.